I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. I make a lot of helpful machine tutorials, as well as other audio-related content like you're about to see today. We're going to be talking about how I fixed my glitching on my 34-inch ultra-wide monitor. So after troubleshooting for a while, it's been happening maybe about a year now, and I've been constantly ignoring it. And I finally said, you know what, I'm tired of the glitching. I want to fix the glitching on my monitor. So the sound would cut out and be mixing some music in Pro Tools or whatever the case may be, or working inside a machine, and then all of a sudden something would glitch. And so I found out it was the cable. So originally I thought it was the monitor. Then I said maybe it was my Caldigit TS3 device. And then finally I said, you know what, maybe it's the actual cable. So the original cable that I had is this Caldigit, I believe it's a Thunderbolt 3 cable, and it looks something like this here. And I'm not too sure of the specs, but if you know, leave it down in the comment section below. But what I realized was, I think after a while, these cables, they tend to bend, and I think the wiring kind of gets loose. So what I did was I went over to Amazon website and I decided to buy me a Thunderbolt 4 cable to see if that would fix the problem. And sure enough, it did fix the problem. Again, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box below so that you can see the specs of the cable. I'm not too sure about the company. This is not one of those sponsored videos or anything like that. This is just me saying, hey, this is what works for me, so hopefully it'll work for you. Hopefully it'll solve the problem on your monitor. So again, I have an LG 34-inch ultra-wide monitor along with the Caldigit TS3. And then I also have this cable that came with it. And so to solve the issue, what I did was just simply change out the cable. So that is what worked for me. Hopefully it works for you. Again, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box below. It's gonna be at the top of the description box. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, just hit me up in the comment section below. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Hope this video helps somebody out there. We'll see you in the next one. We out.